If you're wondering how to track the ROI of your AdCreative AI ads, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of evaluating the effectiveness of your campaigns with AdCreative AI, an incredibly powerful tool for generating optimized ad creatives. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to measure and improve your return on investment when using this software. Stick around because we'll also talk about a special extended free trial that you can access with the link below. AdCreative AI is a game changer for marketers. It's an AI-powered tool that generates highly optimized ads designed to improve conversion rates and engagement. But creating ads is only half the battle. The real key to success is understanding how your ads are performing so you can adjust and optimize accordingly. That's where tracking ROI comes in. To begin, you'll need to set up clear conversion goals. Are you tracking sales, leads, downloads? You need to decide what outcome is valuable to your business so your ROI calculation can be meaningful. Once you have that in place, the next step is to track the ad performance using analytics tools that integrate with AdCreative AI. This could be Google Analytics, Facebook Ads Manager, or any other platform where you're running your ads. The real strength of AdCreative AI comes from its ability to generate ad creatives that are built to convert. The software analyzes tons of data, providing you with creative variations that have a higher likelihood of success. To track ROI effectively, you'll want to make sure you're running these ads on platforms that provide detailed performance metrics. Most platforms will show you metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per click, all of which can help you gauge the success of your ad creatives. Once you're running your ads, you need to track how much you're spending versus how much you're earning. The basic formula for ROI is simple. Subtract the cost of the ad from the revenue generated and then divide by the cost of the ad. So if you spent $100 on ads and made $200 in revenue, your ROI is 100%. But to get a more accurate picture, consider the lifetime value of a customer or any additional sales your ad campaign may drive beyond the initial purchase. It's also crucial to A/B test your ad creatives regularly. With AdCreative AI, you can generate multiple variations of your ad in minutes. By testing different versions against each other, you'll start to see which creatives are driving the best results. You can then reinvest your budget into the best performing ads, improving your ROI over time. As you scale your campaigns, make sure to track your metrics consistently. Platforms like Google Analytics and Facebook Ads Manager offer excellent tracking tools that give you a comprehensive view of your ads performance, from impressions to conversions. And if you're using AdCreative AI, you'll have the advantage of better ad creatives that naturally perform better, giving you an edge in your tracking efforts. Now, here's something you don't want to miss. By clicking the first link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of AdCreative AI, so you can explore all its features without spending a dime. This is a limited time offer, so make sure to grab it while you can. In summary, tracking ROI for your AdCreative AI ads is all about setting clear goals, using the right analytics tools, testing and optimizing your creatives, and consistently tracking your results. With AdCreative AI, you're already ahead of the game by using AI-driven ad creatives that are designed to perform better. With the right approach to tracking, you'll maximize your return on investment and grow your business faster. Don't forget to check out the link below for that exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching.